you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to.
Everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Glow Girl Tales. So ever since like last year, I've been getting a lot of comments and messages. How is my skin texture improved, and how my, I can feel, you can feel the difference in my body, in my skin. Especially, I have been getting lots of comments like this. So I am going to tell you the juice that I am drinking every day, the recipe of which has helped me get better skin, better digestion, has also improved my immunity, has helped my skin get better, my health get better, a lot of energy, and has improved my hemoglobin to a great level. So yes, this juice is very, very, energetic. It is very, very important for your body as well, because it has been giving me some great results. So I'm going to show the ingredients. I'm going to show you a quick recipe, because it is one of the quickest recipe, because I've been having it regularly and making sure that I get the results. So the consistency is very important, and I always believe that anything that you apply and the skincare you do will only result when you take good amount of nutrition within your body. So what you eat is what you reflect, and that's what I believe. So today's video will be all about its recipe, and I'm going to show the ingredients. So benefits, as I told you, you get better with the digestion, you get better with your immunity, and when your digestion is better, you see it on your face, and definitely you get better with your hemoglobin levels, because we have lot of iron in this particular drink. So yes, let's quickly get started with the recipe, and yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Let's go. Starting with beetroot, the base and the core of this juice is helping you in getting good stamina, vitamin A, potassium, excellent source of folate, manganese and vitamin C, and definitely boost your immune system. All of the ingredients that I mentioned in this particular drink will definitely boost your immune system. Then we go with spinach, that is really helpful in boosting your hydration. Also, it curbs appetite. So whenever you have this drink, you feel full, you feel complete, and you consume exceptionally less calories with the feeling of more fullness. And also the risk of developing iron deficiency is much lesser, because spinach is a great source of iron. Then tomatoes is a major dietary source that helps you get good antioxidant called lycopene, that will help you in various heart related diseases, will definitely give you good amount of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K1 and folate, helps your immune system. And again, oranges, that will help you in boosting your immunity, and pomegranate for hemoglobin. All of them blended well together. Pomegranate definitely helps you boost your iron, and definitely is one of the most amazing source of improving your hemoglobin levels. So whenever you feel drop in energy, having a pomegranate or this particular juice really helps. So definitely go for it every particular day in your routine, to have a juice of such kind that includes beetroot and pomegranate. Add a little bit of water, about half glass of water if you are preparing is in the similar fashion. Blend it all together, add lemon, again more vitamin C and good amount of immunity, and we have also added a little bit of black salt for taste, and pepper if you want. Now this juice has to be consumed regularly, and if not regularly, at least 3 to 4 times a week. And for people who have already a lot of ferritin and lot of iron in their body, they can especially avoid this having regularly. You can have it like once and twice a week, but definitely this is one of the most amazing source of energy that will definitely boost iron and hence the hemoglobin levels in your body. And usually being a women, we tend to have very low hemoglobin levels, and this drink will definitely help you in your periods as well, getting regular with it, and also not have lots of period cramps during that time of the month. So yes, this is one of my favorite drink that I am having, and I have been getting some crazy and good response with it comes to my skin, my health, my energy levels. You can have it at any time of the day, but probably in the evening, because in this particular time you don't get bloated. Otherwise, when you have it in the morning or as in your breakfast, then you tend to get bloated, as I can say with my experience. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along to never miss any updates, and I'll be up with many more videos like this. And yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.